Hello everyone, welcome to Edurself. In this video, let's dive in deep into keyword research basics. Now first thing, what is keyword research? It is the process of finding and analyzing the words or maybe the phrases that the people use to search on Google for information related to our business. The main goal is to find the keywords that are really popular with users but not too competitive. So it will make a lot easier for the website to rank on the very first page of Google on the very top. Now when it comes to the Click and Capture Studio, the keyword research will help us to understand exactly what people type into Google when they are looking for wedding photography services. This way we can clearly understand what we have to create in terms of content around those keywords that can really attract the right audience. I hope you have understand what is keyword research. Now when it comes to why the keyword research really matters, I'll let you know very easily. Like when we know what keywords people are using, we can tailor our website content to answer their specific needs, right? And I want to give some of the steps that are involved in keyword research. The very first thing, we have to write down anything that we really think that are relevant to our business. Just imagine when we are doing the business that are related to wedding photography, model photography or product photography, what an user can search in Google, what keywords that they really search for. Maybe wedding photography packages, affordable wedding photography in Hyderabad, or maybe outdoor wedding photography ideas. We have to write down anything that we really think that are really relevant to our business. And the second thing is using the keyword research tools. There are so many tools that are available on the web, and the most famous and free tool from Google is Google Keyword Planner. And in the upcoming sessions, we see the direct practical on how we can use the keyword research tools. Alright, this is completely going to be a theory class just to give you the fundamentals of keyword research basics. Now the next thing is we have to find the long tail keywords. When it comes to long tail keywords, they are longer and more specific, right? It can have some phrases where the users can search like best wedding photographer for beach weddings, or maybe the wedding photography services under 10,000 or 20,000 rupees. These keywords are less competitive and it will often attract more people who are really closer to making a purchasing decision. For example, when someone searching for wedding photography packages under 20,000 or 10,000, probably we do have a lot of chances that that particular user will take the services right from us if our website has been displayed on the top of the Google search engine results page. So keeping the long tail keywords on our website is very much important. We have to find what long tail keywords that we have to keep on our website. Now the fourth step is we have to analyze the keyword metrics. Like once we have all the list of keywords, we want to analyze few key metrics. And when it comes to search volume, like we have to know how many people are really searching for a particular keyword each month. If a particular keyword has a really higher search volume, it means more potential traffic, right? And also we have to search for the competition, like how many websites are trying to rank for this keyword. Lower competition makes it easier to rank on the top. And final thing, relevance. We have to make sure whatever the keywords that we are keeping on the website, are they really relevant to Click and Capture Studio's services, and whatever the keywords that we are placing on the website should closely match to what we are offering. And these are the important elements. And then coming to the step number 5, organizing keywords by intent. Now there are 3 different types of keywords: transactional, informational and navigational keywords. Now when it comes to transactional keywords, these keywords really show that the user is ready to make a purchase. For example, wedding photography booking. Now if we keep this exact keyword onto Click and Capture Studio website, and if the user is searching in Google like wedding photography booking, if they find our website on the top and if they click on our website, then definitely they will book a service, right? Because they are exactly looking for wedding photography booking. Now the second one is informational keywords. These are more about learning, like best wedding photography poses, or maybe wedding photo checklist. Maybe imagine that when a couple is looking for a best wedding photography poses, which means they are about to get married. When we write an article or a blog and we post it on the web with the exact keyword like best wedding photography poses, if those couples find our website, even they can visit the Click and Capture Studio website in future and they can book a service directly from us. So the informational keywords are also very much important. And finally, navigational keywords. These keywords are much more related to brand, like Click and Capture Studio contact. People use these kind of keywords that are already very familiar with our business, right? So we have to even keep the navigational keywords. Now when it comes to the example keywords for the click and capture studio, for these three keywords, transactional, informational and long tail, when it comes to transactional, we can keep the keywords such as affordable wedding photography packages or wedding photography looking in Hyderabad. And when it comes to informational, we can keep the keywords something like how to choose a wedding photographer, wedding photography tips for couples. I'm giving you just the examples so that it will be much more easier for you to understand what exactly is the informational keywords. And finally, when it comes to the long tail, in terms of click and capture studio, we can keep best wedding photographer for intimate weddings in Hyderabad, or maybe unique wedding photography ideas. I hope you have clearly understand the keyword research basics, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment right below the video and I will reply to all of your comments. And if you really like my content, please continue watching all my digital marketing classes and I'll see you in the next video shortly. Thank you so much.